Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in case you missed any Ibotta hauls, we tried to go and do a giant Ibotta haul, but I honestly didn't have enough time and there were such good bonuses, but I didn't get to reach, well, I reached one of them. I think it was like the springtime bonus. It was like a $5, and honestly I like scrambled to finish this. But let me show you guys what I got, because I got a little bit of stuff, but I got a lot of good stuff, and I'll show you guys what you can do in case you can't find anything that you want. And so I was kind of scrambling around to get this bonus, and it was a really good bonus because it was like $5. I think when you finished it, unlocked like another one and another one. I think there was like 3 or 4 that you could unlock, but I didn't really get to, and I barely made that like deadline to reach the first one. So what I did was that I took like the balance that I had on Ibotta and I bought a gift card with it. So I took like that balance. I didn't really use my money, but I used it, and then I got a Walmart gift card. So because I always go to Walmart, so next time I go to Walmart I have like a $10 gift card. And then to do this bonus, I think you had to do an online shopping. So what I bought was I got a I went to Forever 21 because they have free shipping to store. So I picked up like a iron-on patch. It was only $1, but also I could have just picked up like a plain black or white tank top. I think they're like $149 or something like that, or $249. There's something like really cheap, but I ended up getting a couple items. So let me show you guys what I got, and they're really good items. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button if you want to see more Ibotta hauls and any of my random adventures. I honestly was on vacation in Oaxaca, and so I'll post some of those videos up soon as well. And then I also went to the San Diego County Fair. I did a very quick walkthrough, but if you want to check that out as well. So let's start off with Target. So at Target, alright, so at Target we picked these up. They're like the Dynasty Oreos. They're so delicious. They're just regular Oreos with like basketball shapes of teams. So these were on clearance for $1. Okay, so these were on clearance for $1.10. You get $1 back on Ibotta, making them only 10 cents. I got 5 of them because they were like really cheap, and honestly we made like Oreo cupcakes with my friends and they were so good. We didn't use these Oreos, but it's like an idea you could use. But we used Oreos. You open them up at the bottom, and then you put batter on the top with Oreo crumbs, and then you make like buttercream frosting and you put Oreos in it. So it's like a cookies and cream trifecta. Okay, so next up at Target, we got this. This is like the Sirens. I think it's keto friendly. Yeah, so it's keto friendly. They're like peanut butter, nut butter bites. And so these are priced at $2.49. They were on sale for $2.49. And then on Ibotta, you get back $2.99. So this was 50-cent moneymaker, so this was completely free, and I haven't tried them yet, but they look really good, and they seem kind of healthy because they have a low amount of sugar and carbs as well. And who doesn't love peanut butter like cups? Okay, so the next thing I got is I went to Walmart, and honestly I got this stuff like right after work, and I had like a few minutes, so I just kind of ran in there because usually I like to be in there for like long hours. Well, not long hours, but at least an hour. And so I picked this up. So this is the Snuggle. You can pick up any Snuggle product that you want, and so as long as it's under, I think $10, anything under $10 will be rebated back to you. So I picked this up. My Walmart was actually out of a lot of things because I think a lot of people have been doing this, but this is priced at $5.97, and you're gonna get back $5.97 back. And I'll put the link down below so you can do it as well. And And so this is like the Snuggle fabric conditioner. And this is honestly a really great deal. You can pick up any product that you want from Snuggle. Okay, so the next item, I was at Bonds at work on my break, and I went to get a little snack. So I picked up this Twix bar because it was on clearance. I think it was like 79 cents. Yeah, so this was 79 cents. It's the Twix cookies and cream, and I had a 10 cents any Ibotta candy rebate, so this makes it only 69 cents and added to my bonus. And after I got this, I reached that bonus because I bought the gift card to Walmart, and then I bought a $1 iron-on patch from Forever 21. And thanks for watching this quick haul today. If you liked it, let me know. And see you guys next time. And hopefully we have a really, really big haul for next time. Bye.